Hi, I'm Nikita with Suitcase Destinations Travel Agency, and I'm here today to tell you all about a series that I'm going to be recording about my experience with Virgin Voyages. I recently selected a cruise. It's going to be the Dominican Daze. It's a 5-night, 6-day cruise. We're going to be going to 2 ports of call. One is to Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic, and the second is going to Bimini, Bahamas, which is where Virgin Voyages has a beach club. Basically, all of their actual sailings usually go to Bimini if they're in the Caribbean. So in this series, I'm going to be covering things like how to select a voyage. You know, they go to the Caribbean, they're going to the Mediterranean. They have cruises, ships that go to the Mediterranean, and they also have some new destinations that they're going to be unveiling for 2025 and beyond. Also, we'll talk about getting there. Should you get there early, like a day before? If you do decide to get there the day of, which I really don't recommend. Also, to things like packing for your trip, things that you should consider for that. Embarkation, which is also onboarding, like the whole experience with getting on the ship, boarding the ship. Then also we'll do a review and talk about the cabin, what's good about the cabin, where there may be some opportunities with the cabin. Also onboard entertainment and experiences. We're going to definitely cover the food, which I hear is supposed to be pretty good. So you'll definitely hear about that. And then also a lot more, whatever we can kind of squeeze in as we're going around the ship and on this particular journey. So while I've done a lot of travel, I have never taken a cruise. The closest thing I got to that was I think I did a yacht, like for an agency I worked for years ago. And I got seasick. So ever since that experience, I have actually been pretty nervous about getting on anything that, moves on water. So one of the things that I actually, that changed my mind about potentially going and taking cruises is that I started to do a little bit more research into them, especially owning a travel agency and working with clients. And from what I had heard and what I'm hearing, these ships are so large, and they really are. They have really good engineering and technology. They have really good stabilizers. And there's also a lot of meds, which I have taken before. So I said, why not? Just go ahead and have the opportunity to take it. So I will be completely transparent. I paid for this trip with 100% my money, even though I am a travel advisor. So my experiences will be that actually, or my review will be that review from myself, from my actual experiences and likes and dislikes about the experience. So I just wanted to make sure you had that understanding as well. So Virgin, one of the other reasons why I decided to go on Virgin is that I remember when there was a Virgin Records years ago, and I actually visited one of those record stores a few times. Also, I've stayed at a couple of Virgin hotels in Chicago when I've traveled there. And Virgin really does have a reputation for doing things a little bit differently. And I think that intrigued me. So when I saw they had a ship and started looking at videos and, having taken the training and really understanding more about what's out there and what's available, I thought, why not have this opportunity? And, I wanted to go on a vacation as well. So then I decided to book the cruise. So that's what we'll cover in this series. That's a little bit about the why behind it. So definitely stay tuned. Please like and subscribe to this channel so you can learn more as we go about this cruise. And I wish you all the best. Take care and see you next time. Bye-bye.